Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, our major municipal markets are 13 in total, with an estimate of 7,800 market vendors trading across Fiji's various locations. Madam Speaker, it is to be noted that municipal markets operate differently to that of the normal businesses that's been done in towns and cities. Madam Speaker, the market bylaws is established to govern the management of municipal markets with a set of fees and charges for the general management and operation of municipal markets. The fees and charges are for hire of tables or an open space for the day use at the municipal market. Market vendors are not charged business license or any other related fees. Madam Speaker, as a whole, Fijian municipal markets now offers an opportunity to promote homegrown products, promote small business initiatives, assist in food security and nation building. Madam Speaker, Cyclone Josie had a direct impact on the western and the northern municipal markets. Some of the town municipal markets' infrastructure was underwater, with vendors incurring personal damages, and the supply of municipal market produce was limited due to the heavy damages sustained by our Fijians. The supply chain for the western and northern cities and towns have been greatly affected due to the unfortunate events. Operational challenges raised by the two back-to-back cyclones, TC Josie and Kenny. Madam Speaker, based on the factors that I have mentioned, the assessment made and the urgent need to reinforce Fijians, it is anticipated a month's space would be required to normalize the municipal market operation. It is for this purpose, Madam Speaker, that the Ministry had waived market stall fees to all municipal market vendors operating in the western and northern cities and towns. This has been rolled out in consultation with the municipal councils and their market vendors association. On this note, Madam Speaker, may I take this opportunity to thank the central municipal market vendors and in particular Nassori market vendors who were one of the first to arrive at the most affected bar market with assistance and relief packages supporting their colleagues at the bar municipal market. Madam Speaker, this assistance is similar to the care of Fiji. In this instance, it is care for the market vendors. No, thank you.